scary good compared to what we're used to here, what I'm used to. I would love to do some of the West Coast rivers, but that's just probably because I'm unfamiliar with the middle of the East Coast. I know there's a lot of good stuff in there.
Yeah, I want to be a river rat, I think. Make me a boat, or give me a boat, or figure out what boat needs. And as they change from river to river, and do some river building.
Sounds fun. At least for one summer, and then you can always decide from there, right? I know people go down south when it gets, stay a river rat all year round.
I just got to get started doing what it is I want to do, and then we'll see what that means, what that opens up to. Present itself. Here I am.
I had a cool New Mexico shirt on.
There's some place out here in Bernalillo, as a matter of fact, that I saw. I couldn't remember where it was, but eatery-wise, that I see busy a lot. I don't remember what it's called. It's on this road through it, but towards the other end. This is such beautiful scenery.
It is a mountain, a Bosque, those other mountains.
There's some cows. I watch cows all day long. We got 6 big ones and 4 little ones. And these cows. Oh, and I saw a white deer.
I saw that. That's pretty cool.
That was so cool. I didn't believe it. I was like, it's a unicorn. I was like, it can't be a horse. And I did just the whole way everything happened. And I doubted it was a white deer because I was like, well, there's not white deer. And then I Googled it and I was like, well, there is white deer. El Camino Real. El Camino Real. Can you imagine being in a cart on horses when this is dirt road?
Yeah. Long way. It's a long way in a car.
Pete's turning 94, and they used to take a cart with horses from when he was a boy out there in Edgewood into town. They go through the canyon, take 2 nights, and they'd have to sleep in Tierras. Yeah, interesting. It's not that long, 100 years.
Yeah. Quick little human lifetime.
All over in a blink of an eye. Well, you're really going with the music and stuff. Congratulations on all that. You're doing great.
Thanks. It's been fun. Yeah, I may be wrapping it up. Just thinking about that. Getting ready to do a lot of other things, so I'm grateful to have gotten to put the time that I put into it.
Well, I saw your web pages. You've got how many? 177 or something? Or to YouTube or something?
YouTube videos. They're not all music related, but I just hit 777 uploaded videos. A lot of it's stuff like this. Exploring lots of different, just playing with.
Well, you are a creative
works.
person, and it's fun to watch your endeavors.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm hoping to start really making good money so I can jump into my next, big global endeavors I'm excited about. Keep waiting for.
And the view from this side too, with the big, huge mountain area.
I know, it's pretty awesome. I just didn't want to stick my arm in your face.
Picture, yeah.
Kind of can't. Yeah, now not with the train track there, but I could have